Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study general science and ability for CSS. First, thoroughly review the syllabus and past examination papers to grasp the scope and common question patterns. Next, concentrate on building a solid foundation in core scientific principles across physics, chemistry, biology, and environmental science. Simultaneously, dedicate time to enhancing your analytical and quantitative abilities, which are crucial for the ability section. Consistent practice is key to mastering both areas. For the general science component, begin by revisiting foundational physics topics such as forces, energy, and electricity. Then, delve into essential chemistry concepts, including atomic structure, chemical bonding, and common reactions. A significant portion covers biology, focusing on human anatomy, physiology, and prevalent diseases, alongside environmental science. Aim to cover at least 10 to 12 key areas in each discipline. Use standard textbooks and reputable online platforms to ensure comprehensive understanding. The general ability section demands consistent practice. Dedicate time daily to solving problems in arithmetic, basic algebra, and geometry. Focus on improving your logical reasoning skills by tackling various puzzles and critical thinking exercises. Additionally, practice data interpretation and statistical analysis, which often appear in the examination. Aim to solve a minimum of 5 to 7 diverse ability questions every single day to build speed and accuracy. To maximize your preparation, establish a well-structured study schedule and commit to it consistently. Develop the habit of creating brief, clear notes for each topic, which will prove invaluable for quick revisions before the examination. Regularly take mock tests under timed conditions to evaluate your progress and identify areas needing improvement. Crucially, analyze your incorrect answers to understand the correct approach and prevent repeating similar errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.